Welcome to Home Food Best Food. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest recipes. Make It Yourself Art and Craft series. Today's video is about origami lucky stars. When I came to know about origami lucky star, I was fascinated to make them myself. One of the most famous origami crafts is Lucky Star, which is a small star-shaped origami that is usually made in large quantities and is put into a jar and is gifted to their loved ones. Here I have taken a A4 sized Astro Bright color paper and I'm going to cut it into 1 cm and 2 cm strips. Start by tying a loose knot in a strip of paper towards one end of the paper. Pull the paper strips gently to tighten the knot, then gently flatten to form a pentagon shape. Fold the short end of the paper on one side of the knot and tuck into the knot so that it is hidden. Taking the long end of the paper strip, fold around the pentagon knot shape an edge at a time, creasing gently as you fold in. Don't press down on the creases too hard, just enough to hold the shape. Keep going until you have a short end left. Tuck the short end into the pentagon shape, trimming if necessary to make sure the end doesn't show. You'll now have a small pentagon shape. Hold the pentagon shape in one hand and use one of the fingers of your other hand to gently press the flat edge inward so that it is a concave. Do this to all sides of the flat sides. The point of the pentagon shape will form the points of the star shape. All flat edges will be inflated, turning the pentagon into a star. You might have to practice this technique until you get a perfect one. Let's see how to make the same star with the 2 cm strip. If you're interested to know the history or secret behind this lucky star, who found these lucky stars and what does this signify, then please don't forget to check out my video about origami lucky stars and secrets about them. I will leave the link in the description box. Here is your 2 cm and 1 cm strip lucky origami stars ready. Put these stars into a trendy glass jar and gift it to your loved ones. You can also write some special note for your loved ones on the star or also inside the strip before folding into a star. I hope you liked watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.